We're here at the Zebra Appforum in Sydney, and joining me is Robin West. Now, Robin, you've got a big announcement.
I do. We are here to actually announce the release of a new Zebra product. It's called Savanna Data Services.
And what is Savannah all about?
Well, Savannah is all about having access to information and data in the cloud. So our data services are especially products for the software developer community and ways to access data that Zebra has been collecting and has access to for years from our devices and from our customers. So there's a lot of different things that Zebra has had access to from a data perspective for years, and through Savanna Data Services we're providing access to that to our developer community.
And what are some of the applications of the Savannah solution?
Well, there's a lot of different ways. Savannah has a number of different use cases because our products are used in a lot of different areas and different markets. One of the main areas that we're focusing in on right now is around food traceability and pharmaceutical traceability. One big use case that we're looking at right now is with our partners is being able to do food traceability. So essentially imagining that if a food product is bad or has a problem with it, being able to actually trace what's happened with it. So essentially a product is picked in the field, a head of lettuce is picked in the field, and that gets labeled with a unique identifier and printed with a Zebra printer, and that information is actually then sent to Savannah as a traceable thing that we can put into our blockchain. And then every time that product is scanned, as it goes through distribution and manufacturing and all the way into the stores and sold to their customers, that product is then scanned, and that scan information is then sent to Savannah, and we can then actually trace it throughout its entire distribution life cycle to actually identify if there's a problem with that, who got sold to and what firm it came from, and going back and forth to be able to do that. So that's one use case. There's a number of other use cases along the lines of what we call Barcode Intelligence. And those are more along the lines of if you scan a barcode, normally speaking, what you do is you get just the barcode information itself and the symbology. With Barcode Intelligence, we can also then provide you with information about what that product is. So if you scan a book, you can then get information about the author of the book, the title of the book, the amount of, how well it sold and what it sold for. We can also get you information if it was a driver's license, all the information out of that driver's license. If it's a medical product, we can tell you not only what the product is, who manufactured it, what its expiration date was, but also if there's an active recall on that product, all through a simple scan that would then be actually sent and submitted to Savannah as part of our services.
So I'm a customer and I want to adopt the Savannah solution. What do I need to do?
Well, that's pretty easy, actually. We have a website, developer.zebra.com, and it's been our developer portal for a long time. Now, if you actually go to the portal, you'll see a nice link at the top for Savanna Data Services. And if you click on that, you can actually take a look and see what services we have available, what APIs we have available. You can see our sandbox of APIs that are prototypes. And then once you're taking a look at those, you see something you like, you can go in and pick out a package and get a key, and that will allow you to start using the APIs, working with them, and start integrating into your application.
Well, thank you, Robert. Now, before you go, please tell us again, where can we find out more information about the Savannah solution?
It's pretty easy, developer.zebra.com.